Hi, my name is Aditi Tiwari. I'm from Ujjain, Madhya Pradesh. I'm a student from Andheri SV Road branch, and I've been preparing for CAT and other entrance exams since last 1 year. I graduated from Nasimunji College of Commerce and Economics. I did BCom from there, had a placement from there in a startup, been working since last 17 months. Scored 95 percentile in CAT, 99 percentile in NMAT, and 94 percentile in SNAP. IMS has been a great journey for me personally. The mentors, the institute, the resources, everything has been a great asset in my preparation strategy. Be it taking your mocks, analyzing it, be it solving your doubts, the mentors are always there for you. The best part of IMS is that they provide you with one-to-one interactive mentoring sessions with your mentors, where you can ask the doubts with them. You can take tips and tricks for your preparation strategy. And you're good to go. Even till now, till the GDPR preparation, all the mentors are there. The IMS resources are so enough that you do not even have to refer any other book or any other source for preparation of your CAT or ADMET exams. Till now, as I told you, it's quite enough. The resources, the books, even the online content is so much on IMS that is enough for all your exams. That's it from my side. Just be consistent, keep practicing, keep taking mocks. Even I took 30+ mocks in the entire journey, and you'll be good to go. Thank you so much.